Hello and welcome to Granthams. My name's Paul. I'm part of the sales team. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. And I'm going to give you a quick walk around video tour now of the Swift Siena 6EW 2023. The Siena range is exclusive to Granthams. It comes with enhanced exterior decals. The Siena name is gel coated. Swift have introduced a new matte black gas locker, which is full width. And as you'd expect on a special edition Caravan, it is packed with a lot of additional features and highlights, which I hope I'll do justice to and mention as many as I can. So it comes as standard with the Alco ATC, that's the automatic trailer control. It has a 100-watt roof-mounted solar panel, and on all the twin axle models there are heavy-duty corner steadies fitted. Exterior near side, we've got the barbecue point, a side access locker to your underneath front seating, and a 230-volt socket. The habitation door, you'll notice we have included a window, and on the inside of the door there's a kitchen bin. It features rain guards or mud flaps. And then with the fixed bed, you've also got another side access locker for ease of access to the underneath. And as standard with all Swift Caravans, you've got the two-lay bike rack bars. It has a smart construction, which translates into a timberless Caravan frame, resulting in a lightweight Caravan which is moisture resistant. So as we step in the van, I'll point out straight away the exclusive upholstery scheme. There is a facility here to have a freestanding table, which is stowed away separately. The van does come with an alarm, and inside we've got the passive infrared detector for movement. Underneath the pelmets, there are LED lights and USB charging points. Horrocks four-sided pleated blinds, which are engineered to block out more light. And then above the habitation door, we've got the user-friendly control unit, and to the right of that is the Truma blown air heating system panel. We've got additional USB charging points here, as well as the TV point. And the side dinette area, which also makes up into a double bunk. So with the fixed bed, it makes a 6-berth Caravan. Kitchen area, we've got the Thetford combination oven and grill with a 3-gas ring burner, under counter Dometic fridge freezer, stainless steel sink, which also will include a bowl. And then new for 2023 is the flatbed microwave. Plenty of overhead locker space throughout the van. Wardrobe space with hanging rail and your directional TV aerial. Stepping into the bathroom, We've got a separate walk-in shower with bifold doors. The shower head is an Eco Camel shower unit, which increases or it makes the water consumption more economic. So there is our new 2023 Swift Siena 6 EW. Hope you found this video of interest. If you would like to make an appointment or you need any further information, please don't hesitate to contact the sales office on 01476 560 599. Thank you very much for watching.